Sidorenko, wala. Loose ball. Picked up by Sidorenko, binigay kay Ovsyannikov ang kanilang point guard. Ovsyannikov, inside the range. Short jumper by Ovsyannikov is going to tie up the game.
Yan ang range talaga ni Ovsyannikov. No? He cannot shoot from 17 feet out.
Yes.
Pero pag yan sa mga 10-12 footer, may jump shot talaga yan. Marlo Aquino trying to go baseline. Maipit, palpal.
Yes, napalpal yung kanyang kitang-kitang tira sa ilalim. Samantala sa pagsaksak sa ilalim o sa loob ng Kazakhstan, merong foul na tatawagin kay Kenneth Duremdes.
Gonna be side baseline inbound. Hindi act of shooting ang tinawag ng Chinese referee na si Mali Jun. Yung isang referee dito, taga-Japan, si Hidetoshi Ishida.
Samantala, nakakagulat naman yung tikadang yun ni Ovsyannikov, not known as a long-term artist dito po sa Asian Games. Kahapon nakita natin, tumikada rin niya ng 3. Akala natin, chamba. Ito, gumawa na naman. Pasa kay Alvin Patrimonio, broken up. Last break throw by Kazakhstan. And Mikhail Dedov scores to put Kazakhstan on top by 5. 7-2.
7-0 run here by Kazakhstan. Ayan, of course, is the problem with the Philippines giving it so hard. Nice move to the basket there by Kenneth Duremdes. And one. Yes, on that foul by Sidorenko.
3-point play opportunity para kay Kenneth Duremdes. Kanina po sa pre-game ay nagpunta ang ating kasamang si Anthony Suntay sa loob ng dugout. At after the usual discussion on their plays and strategies, maganda raw yung closing ni Coach Tim Cone. Sabi niya, kung lumaban tayo sa gold, if we had fought for the gold, it would have been for the country and for ourselves. Dito sa labanan sa bronze medal, isipin natin, ito hindi na para sa atin ito. This is for the country, para sa bayan ito. Dahil alam naman natin, medyo masama ang loob nila, hindi sila nakapasok sa gold medal finals. Pero itong bronze medal game is for the country. Yun po ang pep talk ni Coach Tim Cone para sa ating Philippines Centennial team. Location missing. Philippines on the attack, we're down by 3.
Pupunta sa poste si Verhel Meneses kay Marlo Aquino.
Aquino against Maximeco. Fall-away jumper by Marlo is good. Off the glass.
No, Marlo's been scoring well here in Bangkok. Coming off the province of Supamburi. Medyo maganda linalaro ni Marlo dito offensively. Meanwhile, teka muna, sabi ng referee, ba ito? Meron yatang inaayos dito eh. Gives us the opportunity to put our pressure defense kontra sa Kazakhstan, no?
Only a 1-point lead by Kazakhstan on the Philippines. Kahapon po ay nilupaan itong Kazakhstan ng South Korea. Sidorenko hits a PLDT long-distance shot from left of the key.
Well, all the days to pick up their shooting from the 3-point territory, ngayon pumipick up ang Kazakhstan, no? Kalaban tayo, so they do have a 4-point lead right now.
Samantala, Verhel Meneses binabantayan ni Sidorenko. Banggaan sila. Offensive foul is called on Verhel Meneses as Sidorenko hits the deck.
And again there you can see that medyo gusto ni Verhel to make the moves that he usually does. Pero hindi na gusto ni Coach Cone dahil siguro yung system niya hinahanap niya.
Yes. Samantala Sidorenko, or rather Mikhail Dedov, laban kay Verhel Meneses. Here's here by Johnny Dedov. Second try goes in.
Hindi tayo dumagawa ng rebound, you know. We're giving them second chance points, playing a little bit lazy. Kazakhstan has not played any good game because the last games have been against China and South Korea.
South Korea, right.
So parang talaga nag-preserve yan. Alam naman nila, hindi sila mananalo ng gold or silver medal dito. So they're just putting all of their efforts dito sa laban sa bronze medal.
Bronze medal, but so would we. Alam naman natin na dalawang sunod na talo din ang ating natamo. The first one against South Korea, 103-83 ang score doon. Panalo ang Korea. Kahapon naman ay natalo tayo sa China, 82-73.
I cannot understand the failure of Kenneth to continue to miss from the... He already has missed 2 free throws here.
Yes.
Yesterday, he also missed a couple of opportunities from the free throw line and he's been struggling dyan sa area na yan. Parang sa sarili niya, galit na rin siya.
Oo, dahil alam naman natin, very reliable yan sa free throw line. 12-7 is the score. Lamang ang Kazakhstan ng 5. Luwang one by Sidorenko.
And finally, they do miss from the 3-point territory dahil alam naman natin hindi sila high percentage shooter dyan sa area na yan.
So 5 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Kazakhstan over the Philippines Centennial team. Alvin Patrimonio holding the ball aloft. Binigay kay Kenneth Durandez off to Vergel Meneses. Lumalabas si Johnny Abarientos. Sinahabol ni Ovshanikov. Narito si Kenneth Durandez inside. Good fake by Kenneth. Kagatan yung dalawang Kazakhs. At ang foul ay tatawagin kay Mikhail Dedov. Dedov with his first personal foul. 16:03 remaining dito po sa first half. Mamaya po ang championship game between South Korea and China. Ought to be a good one.
Immediately following this ball game.
Yes.
Probably about a 45-minute to an hour lull. Pero partner, maalala mo tayo rin ang halos sumabay dito sa buong trip ng Philippine Centennial team. This was the very first team that we met.
Correct, yes.
We beat them by a solitary point, 53-52. One of the lowest scoring games we have played in this tournament. And now it's only fitting that we also play them for the last game.
That's right.
But this is for a bronze medal now. No?
Pang-una at panghuling kalaban ng Pilipinas dito sa Asian Games with Kazakhstan. Pinalo natin by only 1 point in Suphanburi. Samantala, the Kazakhstan team trying to get the ball to an open man. They find Sidorenko. Vergel Meneses para sa rebound. Now they're starting to miss on the shots from the outside. Johnny Abarientos will try one short. And Sidorenko gets the rebound para sa Kazakhstan. Mabilis sa binaba ang bola, tuloy-tuloy. His pass deflected. Picked up by Kenneth Durandez. Ang Pilipinas naman ang tatakbo na 3-on-2. Yes, perfect execution of the 3-on-2 fast break play. Wala ka problema. Vergel Meneses on an assist by Kenneth Durandez.
Well, these two guys, remember, played with each other no, as a professional team bago sila nagkahiwalay. So medyo nagkakaintindihan sila sa sariling kanilang kilos. No?
And the lead by Kazakhstan is slashed down to only 1 at 12-11. Narito si Ovshanikov, nilabas kay Mikhail Dedov. There's a tap from behind by Vergel Meneses, pero merong foul na tatawagin on Vergel. At medyo napaungol yung napakarami po natin mga kababayan. Bilib din naman ako sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Thailand na nagsipunta po rito. Napakarami. Nung pagpasok ng Philippine team, alam na alam mo that majority of the crowd here is composed of Filipinos. Most of them expats dito sa Bangkok sa mga karating pook.
Well, also maganda ngayong araw na Sabado ngayon. No? Johnny cannot give him that shot. Sabado ngayon, partner. So may konting free time afternoon pa. Kaya maaga pa lang, nandyan na yung mga Philippine fan supporters dito sa ating Coliseum dito, no?
That's right. At nagkukumpul-kumpul sila. May sumisigaw dyan ng nangunguna ng mabuhay ang Pilipinas at sasagot naman yung buong crowd ng mabuhay. Napakasarap pakinggan.
Good move here. Oh, hindi na ipasok yung entry pass ni Kenneth Durandez.
Narito sa Sidorenko. Traveling syndication doon.
Natawagan ha. Ito, palina ni Marlo.
4-on-2. Here's Marlo inside. Back to Johnny. Off the glass. No problem for Johnny Abarientos, and the Philippines takes the lead. 13-12. 14 minutes and 10 seconds remaining dito po sa ating first half. Yeropkin, ito ang supposedly yung 3-point shot artist ng Kazakhstan. Pero so far in this tournament, hindi pa masyadong nagiging successful yan. Nilabas kay Dedov. Dedov, nagbintis. Yeropkin, natik na maagawan, but Johnny Abarientos lost space dun sa baseline. Samantala, meron pang substitution para sa Kazakhstan. Lumabas si Ovshanikov, papasok si Korovnikov.
Malaking mismatch yan dahil mga 6'6 player ito si Korovnikov. Babantayan ni Johnny Abarientos. Pero sa labas rin talaga tumitira ito si Korovnikov. No? Pero in the meantime, mali yung kanyang uniforme. No? Napansin mo ba?
Oo nga, no? Kulay itim yung...
black yung kanyang mga likod. Puti naman yung lahat yung mga kakampi niya, yung mga numero nila.
Yes. So, Ovshanikov stays in the game. Nilabas kay Yeropkin. Yeropkin's handout to the cushion. Ovshanikov is forced to take the shot.
Naman! Nakakachamba ngayon. Ito pinakamaraming boses minsan. 1 out of 8 ito. Pero kasi pinabayaan ni Johnny, pinatira, hindi niya hinabol. And he has made his second 3-point shot to give Kazakhstan a 2-point lead.
George Anastimosa is in the game. Narito si Kenneth Durandez.
Inaalis na nga ng coach yun. Nakalain mo, nabalik pa, nakatira pa ng 3-point shot.
Yan ang talagang malas. Marlo Aquino against Maximeco. Na beating ng kanyang single goal. Yeropkin at a step ahead of George Anastimosa. Nagbintis.
Buti na lang, nagbintis ako. Way alone. And Jojo was so slow in coming back. Jojo losing the ball again.
Ovsyanikov off to Derek. Ito siguro din ang Ingledo plan. And Kazakhstan takes a 4-point lead once again at 17-13.
Didov Mikhail.
Sayang yung oportunidad na yung kanina. Yung sa miss ni Yeropkin na nakuha ni Jojo. At any rate, Alvin Patrimonio, may tangan ng bola para sa Philippines Centennial team to Kenneth Duremdes and Johnny Abariento. Give and go. Nice drop pass, pero nabitawan ni Marlo. And he is covered underneath. Nikishin will be called for the foul. That's Alexander Nikishin. Dalawa po yan. Si Alexander at si Maxim, yung numero 11. Samantala, meron pang substitution para sa Kazakhstan. Papasok si Anatoly Marchenko kasama si Igor Guziev. Yung numero 4, papalitan si Nikishin at si
Ovsyanikov.
Yes.
Talagang papalitan na yun. Akala mo na ibalik pa yun dahil mali yung uniforme ng isa. Ay nakatira pa ng 3-point. Anyway, Marlo Quinas 2 points in the ball game. We're down by 4.
Nais po natin pasalamatan ang mga responsable sa paghahatid sa inyo ng exclusive Philippine telecast of the 13th Asian Games. Ang ating mga presenters, Jollibee, Samsung, and Caltex. And the coverage is also brought to you in part by PLDT, Happy Toothpaste, San Miguel Beer, and Milo. Marlo Aquino cuts the lead down to 3 points at 17-14.
Substitution
At
for
papalitan
Philippines.
siya ni Andy Siegel dito po sa lineup ng Philippine team. Pinapressure ni Johnny yung ball carrier na si Peter Guziev. Yeropkin. Dedov against Lastimosa. There's a steal by Johnny on the pivot of Dedov. Lastimosa is open. Yeropkin nandun. Andy Siegel goes up.
Well, nice pass there by Jojo Lastimosa. You can see tumatakbo si Dedov na iwanan lahat. And when he goes to the right, he's very, very strong.
Malakas talagang slasher yan si Mikhail Dedov. He already has 8 points in the game.
Let him go to the left, walang magagawa yan. Yan, siguradong papasa. Or minsan, titira pero alanganin na. Wala yung buwelo niya, no?
3 puntos na kalamangan ng Kazakhstan over the Philippines. Andy Siegel binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Lastimosa to Duremdes. Duremdes decides to go for it. Wala. Alvin Patrimonio stop na pupunta kay Mikhail Dedov. Dedov out to Guziev. Hopkins, bilang tumira ng 3. Tapos. And Alvin Patrimonio with the rebound. 19-16, Kazakhstan by 3. This is the battle for the bronze medal dito po sa Asian Games in Bangkok. Jojo Lastimosa looking at Andy Siegel. He hit ni Andy Siegel. He picks up a foul from Yeropkin.
Well, nice pivot move there by Andy Siegel. Quick release, getting the foul, so he'll go to the free throw line. We've got 9 minutes gone by dito sa ating first half of play. May 11 minuto pa as we see Alan Kaidik come in for Johnny Abarientos.
Bumalik din si Sidorenko sa panig ng Kazakhstan. Pinalitan niya si Dedov. So an opportunity here for Andy Siegel to cut down this 3-point lead so far ng Kazakhstan. Ito po ang huling pagkakataon natin dito sa basketball competition na makakuha ng medalya. Atin pong pinag-aalabanan yung bronze medal. As you look at some of the Filipino supporters in the gymnasium. Gymnasium 1 po ito ng Thammasat University Sports Complex. Andy Siegel cuts the lead down to 1, 19-18.
And we continue to put pressure in the backcourt, especially with Guziev there. Pero medyo, alam mo si Alan, may konting injury pa yan. Kaya naiwanan siya doon sa kilos ni Guziev ngayon.
Mas maganda pa nga sana Dr. J kanina kung si Kuroktikov ang pumasok. Wala silang legitimate point guard.
And they just wanted to take advantage of the big man against Johnny.
Inside pass to Maximenko. Alam mo si Mikhail Guziev. Here's Marchenko. Marchenko decides to go for it. And a good shot. Tap by Alvin. Nakuha ni Andy Siegel. Balik ulit kay Patrimonio. Alan Kaidik. Jojo Lastimosa.
Nice move to the basket. Nice pass. Come on, Andy. Medyo hindi mabilis ang reaction ni Andy. Gusto pa niyang dumaki.
Medyo sinausaw pa ng konti pagkatapos kumuha ng buwelo. Nakakuha naman siya ng foul. He'll go to the line again. Samantala, babalik si Alexander Nikishin para kay Vitali Maximeiko, numero 15.
Ang coach nitong team ay si Anatoly Kim. Okay, ay Kim, Anatoly Kim. Sabi nga natin parang oriental pa nga ito.
Yes,
no?
yung itsura niya, parang oriental nga. Oops!
Parang yung tinatawag natin imported coach. Pinapanood niya mabuti ang ating mga manlalaro nung nag-round robin siya, yung mga nagsushooting dyan. Parang i-refresh na kung sino mga dapat ispatin dito sa ating mga players.
Yung mga pagkakasakstan, marami sa kanila ang mga oriental blood. Dahil malapit-lapit sa Mongolia.
So, cross the border.
Oo. Nakapos ito. Nagkaige. 10 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in the first half. 1-point lead ng Pilipinas laban sa Kazakhstan, 2019. Nikishin. Guziev is open for this 3-point shot. Wala. Natapik si Marchenko back to Guziev. Sidorenko.
Good fundamentals of rebounding. Hindi na makuha, try to tap it out. Let your teammates pick it up, no?
Yoropkin is inside. May sumamit po si Alan Kaydick ang tatawagan. Aba, hindi. Si Correntes ang tinawagan.
It's a very good games for us.
Solid yan.
To replace Alvin Patrimon. Tsaka yung kanyang depensa ang maaasahan natin, which we need in this ball game against the big players ng Kazakhstan.
5 team fouls on the Philippines. 6 naman sa Kazakhstan. Nikishin sa ilalim. Andy Siegel got a piece of that ball. Ay na naman si Nikishin for the third time. And this time, a foul is going to be called on Andy Siegel. Medyo frustrated na si Andy doon dahil 2 beses na niya hindi napigilan. Bagamat natatapik niya yung bola, ay hindi niya makuha, hindi niya ma-recover. So on the third try, pinal na niya.
Well, to refresh the memories of our basketball viewers, kung hindi nyo napanood ang unang laro, itong taong buntik ng tumalo sa atin. 8 of 8. He had 8 of 8 from the field and 2 out of 2 from the free throw line for 18 points to lead their team. Pero ang kanyang style, because we met them first, hindi natin kilala. Eventually, lahat ng mga teams nakilala na siya. Walang tira sa labas siya, puro sa ilalim lang yan si Nikishin. Gusto niya yung back cut, backdoor cut, tapos sa close range. Sa power forward, infinite. Ganun lang yung tira niya talaga. No? So, medyo nabasa na rin natin ang laro niya.
Pero Hernandez, Jordan shot, hindi pumasok. Marchenko, Guziev. Pumasok. Tumama kay Jojo Lastimoso sa ulo niya. At medyo sinuwerte doon. Ito na si Kenneth Hernandez. Binigay kay Andy Siegel.
May foul yun. Nabagsak si Andy Siegel.
Walang tinawag. Kazakhstan up by 1, 21-20. Narito si Yoropkin. Looking at Marchenko. Guziev. Tumaposte si Nikishin. Hindi pinakatatanggap ni Andy Siegel sa loob kanina. Ito na naman si Yoropkin. Si Dorenko. Tuyan tumikada. Ayun, mahina. Kagawa ni Kenneth Hernandez. Hernandez starting the break here for the Philippines. Binigay kay Jojo Lastimosa. Reverse layup by Jojo. At merong foul na tatawagin.
Number 7 yata. Oh, yes, number 7.
Yoropkin ang tatawagan dyan. Pangatlong personal para kay Yoropkin. Nais natin palala muli sa inyo mga kaibigan. The exclusive Philippine telecast of the 13th Asian Games is made possible by our presenters, Jollibee, Samsung, and Caltex. The coverage is also brought to you in part by PLDT, Happy Toothpaste, San Miguel Beer, and Milo.
Well, this will be our last coverage of the basketball games. No? Kasama, of course, ng championship game mamaya between China and South Korea. Nagpapasalamat tayo sa mga lahat na nagsusuporta sa atin, especially yung mga ating dear sponsors na yan.
Yes,
kung wala sila, wala tayong ano. No? Jojo missing the first free throw. Johnny Abarientos, partner, bumalik sa laro. Pinalitan si Kenneth Hernandez. His first taste of the bench actually for Kenneth. He started off at siya ang ginamit dito for 11 and a half minutes siyang ginagamit.
Jojo Lastimosa, uncharacteristically, naglintis ang una niyang free throw. Pumasok yung pangalawa. So tabla tayo ngayon sa 21 all. Samantala, Kazakhstan ngayon, nasa penalty na. Ang Pilipinas, meron pong 6 na team foul. Ovchanikov, humihingi ng offensive foul sana si Johnny, pero ang
Masyadong,
Hindi nitong si Ovsyanikov ngayon sa labas.
masyadong maganda ang gising nito. Well, that was a 12-footer and that's his shot. That's what I said. Johnny cannot let him go to that area. No? Hindi pwede yun. So that guy already has 10 points in the ball game. No? 2 3-point shots and 2 field goals. We have an
number 40 of the substance.
ano yun?
May foul yata,
Double foul si Johnny at saka si Ovsyanikov.
Samantala, meron pong stats tayo rito galing kay Willie Marcial. Itong Kazakhstan meron ng 13 rebounds against the 7 by the Philippines. Tinatalo po tayo ng 6 dyan. Hindi yata nagkakaintindihan kasi kanina may tumawag ng offensive foul yata. At yung isa naman,
Double foul eh.
Oh, double foul.
Double foul between Johnny at saka si Ovsyanikov.
Hindi naintindihan ni referee Ichida ng Japan na tumawag din ng yung si Ma Lee-jun ng Korea ng foul. So they cancel each other out at magkakaroon ng jump ball situation. Medyo nagkakagulangan dito sa pwestuhan. Itong si Sidorenko at si Dennis Espino. Hindi naman papayag si Dennis Espino.
Nakipagkamay naman.
Hindi, Dennis, subukan ko isahan. Tagal na tayo sa negosyo. Di ba?
Oo, talaga. Baka akala mo hindi ka namin kaya tawaran. Huwag mo ako subukan.
Yun. Wala. Ovsyanikov para sa rebound. Ovsyanikov. Dedo. Foul na tatawagin kay Alan Kaydik.
That was a hard fall there by Mikael Dedov. Katulad ng sinabi natin, hindi talaga marunong galing ito sa kaliwa. No? So sa kaliwa na siya, he had to lay up with his right hand. Kaya inabot pa siya ni Alan Kaydik with that foul. Free throw shots, however, coming up for Mikael Dedov.
Kazakhstan on top by 2, 23-21. At pasasalamatan din natin mga kaibigan ng FedEx, the official air express company of the 1998 Asian Games coverage. FedEx, we live to deliver.
Nakikita nyo sa background yan, yung ating Philippine flag. Hindi mga cameraman natin yan. O yan mga cameraman ng Thai television. Although nandito kami live no, sa Gymnasium 1 mismo dito sa
Thammasat University Sports Complex. Dennis Espino, labang kay Kitchen. Espino. Malabas si Andy Siegel.
Make that spin, Andy. That's
Spin. Kinalawa pa ni Andy Siegel. At nakakuha ng foul. So, a bonus shot here for Andy Siegel who has been going to the free throw line para po dito sa ating Philippine squad. He is actually top scoring so far para sa Philippine Centennial team with 8 points. Yan po si Andy Siegel. Duremdes has 5. Meneses 4 so far.
Opportunity for a 3-point play dito kay Siegel as we see Marchenko come back in for Yanin Igor. That last play, however, showed you how hard it is for the triangle. Pag pumunta doon sa ibabaw na isang player na hindi magaling pumasa, hindi maibigaw ni Dennis Espino kay Alan Kaydik who was trying to post up. Buti na lang nag-weak side cut si Andy Siegel and he had to pass off. Nandun si Andy Siegel. Kundi wala na naman tayong play na parang para sa kamay yung bola na hindi natin maibigay. But we continue to use it against the zone and everything. It has been a hard thing for us.
Samantala, tabla po tayo sa 24 all. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the first half. Steal by Johnny Abarrientos. Ganyan lang ang pressure na binibigay. So far, wala pang timeout na tinatawag dito po sa first half ng larong ito.
Patigasan yung dalawang ko. Ito na naman si Dennis. Now you can see that the Kazakhstans are cracking down, but a nice basket there by Dennis Espino.
He has played solidly for the Philippine Centennial team. Dennis Espino, on both ends of the court. He gives the Philippines a 2-point lead at 26-24.
Hirap na hirap tayo dito sa Kazakhstan.
Mikael Dedov, sidestepping move. Andy Siegel para sa rebound. Walang nakitang oportunidad para sa isang fast break. Abarrientos off to Alan Kaydik. Halatang halata mo na hirap si Alan as Siegel's tap goes to Sidorenko.
And you can see Siegel putting a lot of hustle. No? Tumutulong pa siya, pero you got to stop number 5. And bumaba ka agad si Siegel.
Ovsyanikov sumaksak sa loob. Nakapik ni Johnny. Pero nakuha pa ni Marchenko. Ovsyanikov nilabas muna kay Sidorenko. Here's Nikishin. Alexander Nikishin after Marchenko. Inside pass. Oh, Seago is going to be called for the foul. Nagkabanggaan sila. Andy Seago will pick up foul number 2. Pareho pong nasa penalty ng dalawang koponan with 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the first half. Philippines up by 2, 26-24.
2 shots for Kazakhstan.
Dalawang free throw ang bibigay.
Si Alexander Nikishin, talagang he has been struggling in the last few games.
You know that he is the force underneath the basket para sa Kazakhstan.
For both teams.
Samantala, pumasok muli si Maximenko para kay Nikishin. Philippines on top by only 1 point, 26-25. Labanan po ito para sa bronze medal. Ito na po ang huling laro ng Philippine Centennial Team dito sa basketball competitions sa 13th Asian Games sa Bangkok, Thailand. Johnny Abarientos. Dennis Espino top of the key. Jojo Lastimosa trying to shake off Dedo. Uy, maganda pasa to DJ File from Jolas.
He just came into the ball game. Pinalitan niya si Andy Seagal. Being at the right place at the right time. Balik sa tatlong ating lamang. 5.5 minutes left dito sa ating first half of play.
3-point lead para sa Philippine Centennial Team. Marchenko. To Dedo. Pasado mataas ang pasa. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of the Philippine Centennial Team.
Tuloy ma-outside. Hindi ba sila pareho sa referee?
Si Mali Jun ang nando doon at hindi makailag. One ang Thammasat University Sports Complex sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ito po si Ed Pixon kasama si Andy Ha para sa Vintage Television. Johnny Abarientos mula sa corner. Wala. Dennis Espino with a good tap. Napulot ni George Lastimosa to EJ File underneath. Nagkandara pa si EJ File. Nakuha ni Maximenko para sa Kazakhstan. The Philippines on top by 5. 30-25 in the first half. The pass to Maximenko goes out of bounds in favor of the Philippines.
Kaya sinasabi natin speed factor both on offense and defense now because itong team na ito ng Kazakhstan malalaki pero hindi ganun kabilis.
Yes,
and especially in coming down in their own defense, they are not that quick.
4 minutes and 22 seconds mo na sa first half. Ano yun?
Violation ang tinawag dahil parang sinabi na kickball ni Olsen Dasela after the fumble by Johnny Abarientos.
Substitution for Kazakhstan.
Samantala, panay na panay ang balasa ng Kazakhstan ng kanilang mga players. Si Marchenko pinalitan ni Nikishin. Siguro mga 3 beses itong pabalik-balik yan si Nikishin dito sa laro.
Well, parang pinaiinit niya. Hinahanap niya yung kanyang punto na saan siya makakatulong talaga ng big offensive game. No?
Narito si Mikhail Dedov of Shanikov. Labas ni Dedov against George Lastimosa. There's a pick by Maximenko. Inside pass to Nikishin. Labas ni Shanikov. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Ito si Shanikov. Wala makita puwang. Binigay pa kay Maximenko. Yes, good defense by the Philippines.
Well, alam mo, medyo swerte rin tayo dahil alam natin yung si Kornikov na hindi nila magamit numero 12. Malaki na may tira sa labas yun.
Yes, tama.
Kita mo yung mga mismatches nila against us. Pero yung mga tao yung halos walang mga talagang mga sure ball, no? So, at least mabuti. So far, hindi pa nagagamit yun dito sa kontra sa ating lineup.
So, mali yung uniforme niya. Kaya hindi siya pinapasok. Lastimosa is open. Masyado malakas ang tira. Yerap yun para sa rebound.
We have had so many opportunities to pull away. Yung 30-25, ang dami natin oportunidad. Hindi tayo maka-score or we turn over the ball, no?
Kanina turnover. Ngayon naman nag-gintis. Ito naman si Dedov. Sinusunda pa rin ni Orson Racera. Nikishin out of Shanikov. Maximenko. Maximenko starts his move against EJ File. Ito ng tawag. It's going to be a foul on Edward Joseph File, the Philippine Centennial Team. Again, we'd like to remind you, mga kaibigan, this exclusive Philippine telecast of the 13th Asian Games ay handog po sa inyo ng Jollibee, Samsung, and Caltex. The coverage is also brought to you in part by PLDT, Happy Toothpaste, San Miguel Beer, and Milo.
Both teams are in the penalty. That's why you see Maximenko shooting free throws. And he breaks that long silence of 30-25 with those 2 free throws. Tatlo na lamang ang lamang dito ng Pilipinas.
Narito si Johnny Abarientos, lumalabas si George Lastimosa. Lastimosa out to EJ File. File looking for a receiver, nilabas kay Johnny. Dennis Espino pumoposte ron. Johnny takes it inside, nilabas kay Jolas. Lastimosa now.
That's a good break for us.
Foul
Shanikov, because that's going to mean free throw shots up for Jojo Lastimosa.
Yes, dahil po nasa penalty ng dalawang koponan, second personal foul on the point guard of Kazakhstan of Shanikov. Medyo hindi po tayo makahinga na maluwag dito sa larong ito. Labanan para sa bronze medal. Tatlo lamang ang ating kalamangan at alalahanin natin. Nung una po nagtakpo ang dalawang koponan nito, about almost 2 weeks ago sa Suphanburi, sa probinsya po yan ng Thailand, kung saan inumpisahan itong basketball competitions, ay isang punto lamang ang ating pinanalo dito sa koponan ito ng Kazakhstan, 53 to 52. As you look at as you look at some of our countrymen, talagang all out ang pagbigay ng suporta dito po sa ating mga atletang Pilipino na lumalaban para sa ating bansa dito sa Asian Games.
One of the 4 teams that are involved in the semi-final round. Ang pinakamalaking suporta ang Pilipinas. Ang pangalawang pinakamalaking suporta si Durendes ng Bangko Lastimosa are the South Koreans.
That's right.
Medyo naka-uniform pa yung mga
meron pa silang
papaingay.
yung plastic na
mo pwedeng makahingi, may uwi natin dahil mapapasko na at saka New Year.
subukan natin. Lapitan natin yung sadyan. Sabihin natin, yo pa sa'yo.
Okay. Paano?
Yo pa sa'yo. Ito si Yeropkin. Yeropkin inside. Taps it out to Ovshanikov. Medyo humihigpit na po ang depensa rito ng Pilipinas. Pero nakakagulat siya. Maximum tumira ng alanganin doon sa labas. Pumasok.
When he hit 2 free throws earlier kasamang Ed. So again, that was almost exactly where the free throw shots were taken.
Yes. DJ Val trying to take it strong off the glass. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Samantala, Mikhail Dedov. Hindi pa natin nakikita si Jun Limpot.
He hasn't played in this ball game, and Alan played very little minutes, so did Verhel Meneses, who started off. Ay,
hindi pa naman si Maximum.
Balik 6 points.
Dalawang sunod na jump shot after 2 free throws kinonvert kanina ni Maximenko. Medyo nagsisilbing hudyat yan para sa atin. Huwag nating pakamamatahin yan si Maximenko sa labas. Kenneth Durendes, masyado malakas yan. EJ Pyle is there, pero naunahan sa dedication sa rebound. Narito ngayon si Mikhail Dedov. Mabilis na nakababa sa depensa ng Pilipinas, but we're only on top by 1 point, 32-31. A minute and 26 seconds remaining here in the first half. Si Dedov tilabas kay Yeropkin. Yan yung 3-point shot artist na sinasabi natin na si Alexei Yeropkin. Drilling it in from the outside. We have a timeout. Dito po sa laro nito ng Pilipinas at Kazakhstan sa basketball. Lamang ng dalawa na ang Kazakhstan at 34-32.
Well, bumalik dito si Kenneth Durendes at saka si Verhel Meneses sa laro, no? And Alvin Patrimonio also, but that's going to be short on the part of Alvin. Again, we're struggling here as a good run by Kazakhstan has taken the lead away from the Philippines. Lamang tayo ng 5 kanina, ngayon lamang sila ng 2, no?
Patient play here by Kazakhstan. Dedov. Lumabas na naman si Maximenko from that same spot.
We've given Maximenko 8 straight points, no? 6 from jump shots and 2 from the free throw line.
Siya kayo na kumakana para sa Kazakhstan. 4-point lead ng Kazakhstan. Patrimonio Abarientos to Durendes. Merong foul. Samantala mga kaibigan, nice nating anyayahan kayo na to stay tuned during the halftime. Meron po tayo magandang balita dun sa cycling. Si Jerry Espiritu, makakausap maya-maya ng ating kasama si Chino Trinidad from Manila. Kanina lang po ginawa yung cycling, yung road race sa cycling. At umangatlo po itong si Espiritu. Victor Espiritu. 1997 Tour of Luzon champion yan, si Espiritu. At magandang balita yan. Malalakas po ang kalaban dito sa cycling. Ngunit binigyan niya ng magandang karangalan ng Pilipinas niya with a bronze medal. Mamaya po sa halftime, kakausapin ni Chino si Espiritu.
Well, only 17 seconds left. Nasa backcourt pa yan.
Good play by Dennis Espiritu. Dennis is pushing. Ito naman si Durendes. At least nakatabla tayo. Put some more pressure. We might be able to get the ball. Ito si Shanikov. Up to si Durenko. Tuturo na malayo. 2-point shot. Ano masyado? Yan din sila gusto niya gawin noon.
Ba't parati siya na sa atin, natatapak sa pinitira ng gano'n sa atin?
36 all. Tabla po ang score. At the end of the first 20 minutes of play between the Philippines and Kazakhstan, the battle for the bronze medal dito po sa basketball competitions sa 13th Asian Games. Si Sidorenko, napunta ulit sa kanya from Ovsyannikov. Uy, nag-alangan si Sidorenko.
Well, alam mo, nagulat si Marlo dahil nandun na si Kenneth Durendes. Akala niya kabilang goal, sabay takbo siya doon sa ano. Biglang nagulat rin si Durenko. May libre akong lane, so Marlo gave up the foul and sent him to the free throw line.
Ang report po ni Anthony Suntay sa halftime break, si Coach Tim Cohn ay medyo disappointed sa laro ng Pilipinas. Ang sabi daw niya, ang problema, hindi nagpapasahan itong kupunan natin. At sabi niya, this has been the problem since day one. And he says, kailangan na magkaroon tayo ng team play kung mananalo tayo dito. We cannot win this on individual plays. Kailangan magpasahan itong Philippine Centennial team. Vergel Meneses sees himself open. This is the shot.
Well, ang idea niyan, of course, is that you have to break down the defense. And, the more you pass and the more you go to your place with proper screenings, you will break down the defense.
Magkakaroon ka ng mas magandang opportunity. Sidorenko, dalawas kay Ovsyannikov. Here's Mikhail Dedov. Maximenko hit us with 8 straight points towards the end of the first half. 3 seconds on the shot clock. And Alvin Patrimonio controls the rebound para sa Philippine Centennial team. Running. Vergel Meneses, that's his game. Yes.
Well, Vergel has 6 points in the ball game. 9 points dito sa labanan dito si Kenneth Durendes at saka si Andy Sigas. Sa kabila naman si Ovsyannikov, early 10 points. Pero yung malaki doon, yung 8 puntos na itulong ni Maximenko doon sa bandang huli, no?
It's not really a scoring god. Pero si Nikishin, ito yung kanyang game sa ilalim. Left-handed reverse layup by Alexander Nikishin. At ang ating kalamangan, ang Kazakhstan, ang lamang na ngayon by 2 at 40-38. Kenneth Durendes. Binigay kay Alvin Patrimonio. Durendes na naman. Patrimonio to Meneses. Meneses trying to get around Nikishin. Tatawagan ng foul si Alexander Nikishin.
Well, nakikita natin dito yung Kazakhstan kasamang Eday nagdo-double team pa sa mga post plays natin. In the last play of Nikishin, hindi tayo nag-double team. Pinabayaan natin na maglaban sila ni Marlo ng one-on-one, no?
Yes. Pangatlong personal foul on Alexander Nikishin. Johnny Abarrietos binigay kay Marlo. Good fake by Marlo. Nabitin ang tira na corner of Ovsyannikov. Outside to Sidorenko. Dedov. Labak kay Durendes. That's a good pick by Nikishin. Durendes still on Dedov. Ovsyannikov. Nakawala kay Johnny. Jumper by Ovsyannikov. Hindi pumasok Nikishin. Back to Sidorenko.
Second chance opportunity. Ako, wala tayong bumatay. Buti na lang na blanca ni Marlo pero tinawagan ng foul.
Foul on Marlo Aquino. That will be his second personal foul. Or third personal on Marlo Aquino.
Kaya si Korovnikov nagpalit na ng t-shirt. No, kanina, black piping yung kanyang numero. So he's allowed to play here in the second half. Pinalitan si Ovsyannikov and they have a very big lineup on the floor right now.
Well, kanina gusto pumasok niyan si Korovnikov pero kulay itim yung numero niya. Mukhang pinakuha pa sa Athletes Village yung kanyang uniforme. Medyo matagal eh.
That's right. Well, swerte sila. They had that time plus the 10-minute break. So split charities there by Maximenko and we have Kazakhstan on top by 3 points with 17.5 minutes left dito sa ating ball game, no?
Yes. Lumalaban po tayo para sa bronze medal. Vergel Meneses. Hindi makatira, binigay kay Alvin Patrimonio. Patrimonio looking at Marlo Aquino. Back to Alvin. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Vergel Meneses takes it inside. Another one for Vergel, and he scores it on the second try.
Well, hindi natin alam kung tumama sa rin, pero parang hindi yata mga traveling yung mga ganun dahil pangalawang beses natin nakikita yan na hindi natatawagan, no?
Miguel Dedov out. Hindi nakatingin si Alvin Patrimonio. Nung dumarating na ito si Miguel Dedov, nakatalikod si Alvin. At naka-score na naman itong slasher ng Kazakhstan to keep Kazakhstan on top by 3 points at 43-40. Johnny Abarrietos, quick jumper, yes, inside on the run. The fly
2
away.
points for
Well,
Philippines.
we just have to
From
pick up
number
our
14.
focus and our intensity. No? Yung ating defense definitely is breaking down on many instances.
Yes.
And this is not the way we played China yesterday, where our defense was the thing that kept us in the ball game. Actually,
right.
yan, katulad yan, habol, you can't give him those jump shots. No?
Paxtimeco has been
Basket
hitting
from
those
Kazakhstan.
mid-range,
From number 15.
medium-range jumpers
2 points.
over us from the end of the first half hanggang dito.
Tao ni Alvin yun eh.
Oo.
That's why he's apologizing. It was
Oo.
not a simple screen. He just moved away and Alvin never followed it.
Kenneth Torremdes off to Berhel Meneses. Meneses laban. Wala. At nakuha ni Korovnikov. Korovnikov, bounce pass to the kitchen. Si Durenkov. Buti na lang,
That's
nag-tap out
good
sila.
defense.
Oo. Ayun na naman yung pass sa Kinication sa ilalim. Uy, may foul pa kay Marlo.
Well, bali-bali ang ating mga depensa. The players do not know who they're covering.
Foul on
Kaya
number
in the
13
middle of
of
the,
Philippines.
na lang sila naghahanap ng mga tauhan nila.
That will be number 4 on Marlo Aquino.
Substitution for both teams.
At ipapasok muli si Andy Siegel, si Dennis Espino, at si Jojo Lastimosa.
Finally, si Marlo, si Alvin, saka si Kenneth. I think that's a good move on the part of Team Cone. Make the adjustments now. Those players were a little bit lazy on their defense, and you take them out. They couldn't guard their guys. No, tama yung ginawa niya. Let's put the guys that have played well somewhere in the first half, and who we know na maglalaro ng depensa. Ito pinakamalaki ng lamang ng Kazakhstan.
Anim na puntos po ang abante ng Kazakhstan. Jojo Lastimosa. Off to Dennis Espino. Merong foul sa loob na nakita. Si referee Mali Jun ng Korea.
Foul on number 7 of Kazakhstan.
This is Europkin.
Pang-apat na niya.
Oh, picking up his 4th personal foul. 15 minutes and 32 seconds ang nalalabi. Sa labang ito, lamang ng 6 ang Kazakhstan over the Philippine Centennial team. Johnny Abarientos, Andy Siegel asking for the pass. Medyo pumupwesto siya na mas maganda. Johnny Abarientos making use of the pick, and he calls attention to the sticky defense of Mikhail Dedov. Dedov will pick up his 3rd personal foul in the game. Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to repeat that the exclusive Philippine telecast of the 13th Asian Games is made possible by our presenters Jollibee, Samsung, and Caltex. The coverage is also brought to you in part by PLDT, Happy Toothpaste, San Miguel Beer, and Milo. Inside pass by Lastimosa to Andy Siegel. Alam mo po si Lastimosa has not been scoring too much, pero he has been doing a great job in giving the assists sa ating mga players. Good rebound by Dennis Espino to Johnny Abarientos. The Philippines is running. Johnny Abarientos against Korovnikov. Meneses pass, tapped by Europkin, picked up by Dennis Espino. Espino good pick it up, yes. On both ends of the court, si Dennis Espino ang talaga nagsusubukan.
Dalawang bagay ang tamang sinabi mo. Lastimosa to my count has at least 3 good assists.
Oh.
At the same time, pumasok dito yung mga malalaking player na gustong maglaro at saka nagpapakita ng depensa. So tama yung palit niya doon sa mga hindi naglalaro na mabuti sa depensa. No
basket there. Pero merong foul na tatawagin ng Andy Siegel. That will be number 4.
Ako, yan ang mabigat. He has been playing well and he already has 4 personal fouls.
Just a 2-point lead now by Kazakhstan at 48-46. Babalik si Ovshanikov para sa Kazakhstan. Lamang pa rin ng Kazakhstan ang dalawa. Pero that's down from 6. Korovnikov. And out to Europkin. Maximenko to Korovnikov. Korovnikov pa rin. Biglang nag-pull up jumper.
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Dahil yan, may tira yan.
Malaki na. Pagkatapos ay marunong pumuesto para sa kanyang mga jump shots. So it's back to a 4-point lead para sa Kazakhstan over the Philippines, 50-46. Deep from right baseline, Dennis Espino.
He's just been struggling to fight for the boards. Sasa't laban lang siya ng laban, pwesto siya ng pwesto. No?
Napakasipag na Kapampangan ito sa Dennis Espino. Jojo Lastimosa, nakatingin kay Andy Siegel. Siegel looking for a receiver, binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos trying to get open, gets it back to Siegel. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Jojo Lastimosa sumaksak sa loob. Espino pa rin.
That's a foul.
Oh, yes.
What an effort here by Dennis Espino.
Oo. Talagang nakamamangha itong ginagawa ni Dennis Espino. para po sa Philippine Centennial Team. Samantala si Marchenko ng Kazakhstan will come back in para kay Maximenko. Ito si Maximenko, matindi rin ang ginawa sa atin ito. 8 points in the first half. All of them towards the end of that 20-minute period. Pagkatapos ay 3 puntos dito sa second half. Dennis Espino now has 5 points in the game.
Pinalitan natin si Andy Siegel, partner, dahil 4 na personal foul. Alvin Patrimonio, the captain, asked to come back in, provide some leadership and a little bit more spirit in the game, especially in his defense, because Alvin is noted for that.
Oo. Marchenko is up with the ball.
Pressure.
Oo, medyo nagulat si Marchenko. Ba't ako may hawak dito rito? Ovshanikov, nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Berhel Meneses. Nakita niyo si Jojo Lastimosa up ahead. Medyo nahuli lang yung pasa. But Lastimosa pulls up. No problem.
Not showing a lot of confidence in his shot ability on the part of Jojo. Tabla tayo, 50 all, 13 minutes left dito sa ating ball game. No?
At nagwawala po yung ating mga kababayan dito sa Thammasat University Gymnasium number 1. Yeropkin para sa Kazakhstan. 50 all. Marchenko, nalabas kay Korovnikov. Korovnikov inside to Nikishin. That's his scoring range. He gets it back. Foul na tatawagin. Alvin Patrimonio acknowledging it. Siya nga bang tatawagan? Yes, yes. Alvin Patrimonio with his first personal foul. Pero ang Pilipinas meron ng 5 team foul, samantalang ang Kazakhstan 4. Magandang hapon po, mabuhay Pilipinas. Ito po si Ed Pixon kasama si Andy Howe dito po sa Asian Games. Sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.
We're keeping our fingers crossed for this fight for bronze. No? Alam natin, it's not gonna be an easy game. Yung Kazakhstan, hindi lumaban niya sa China. They fought for a little, but they prepared for this game. This was the game they were looking for, the fight for the bronze, whoever it would have been. No?
Samantala, Jojo Lastimosa scores inside.
Nakakadalawang back to basket si Jojo Lastimosa to give us a 1-point lead now.
Yes, medyo tumataas ang antas ng kumpiyansa ni Jojo Lastimosa rito. He played well as the passer in the first half. Dito naman, medyo umi-score na rin siya. 1 point lead for the Philippines at 52 to 51. 12 minutes and 13 seconds remaining in the game. Marchenko, turnaround jumper. Dennis Espino taps it over to Johnny Abarrientos. Another 3-on-2 break here for the Philippines. Meneses back to Johnny, to Lastimosa. And he's out. Ovshanikov! Ovshanikov into the front court. Binigay kay Yeropkin. Korovnikov. Ovshanikov. Lob pass to Yeropkin underneath. Binigay kay Nikishin. Ooh! Ano yun?
Good thing na lang yung foul was called before the shot was attempted, so it's not going to be a continuation play here para sa Kazakhstan.
Nais po natin palala sa inyo mga kaibigan. FedEx is the official air express company of the 1998 Asian Games coverage. FedEx, we live to deliver.
Side court throw-in, pero 6 na ang team foul dito ng Pilipinas. 1 more, and then after that, we will be in the penalty. 4 pa lamang ang team foul dito ng Kazakhstan.
Yes. 11 minutes and 46 seconds ngayon ang nakatala sa scoreboard. Marchenko.
Yun ang sayang. Medyo tumulak si Dennis no, after the player had received the pass. So that will be our 17th foul now.
Yes, first personal on Dennis Espino, pero nasa penalty na po tayo after that foul. 11:42 remaining. Ang Kazakhstan meron lamang 4 na team fouls so far. Ovshanikov, off to Korovnikov. Yeropkin. Bigla tumira ng press. Si Korovnikov nakuha ni Marchenko. Outside Ovshanikov. Yeropkin titira na naman. Wala pa rin. Korovnikov. Nakuha pa rin niya rebound. Natapit ni Jojo Lastimosa na best going to be a foul.
Alam mo itong Chinese referee, hindi ko naman malaman ng tawag ko yan. Chinese siya.
Chinese referee.
Hindi, yan ang Japanese referee. Tama, yan ang Chinese referee na si Mali Su.
Mali Jun.
Yung isang medyo maputi ang buhok yun ng Japan na si Ishida. Ang liwanag na ng pagkakakuha ng
Ni Jojo.
Sila na naglalaban sa gold eh. Tayo pinagrabyado sa kanila.
First by Korovnikov is good. At tabla na naman tayo mga kaibigan sa 52 all. Pangalawa ni Korovnikov, pasok pa rin. Kazakhstan takes the lead once again at 53 to 52. Yan ang score natin dun sa unang game.
But we won that 53-52.
Yes.
No?
Alvin Patrimonio, nice pass to Johnny off the glass. Ang ganda naman yung drive ni Johnny.
That was not an easy shot. The
Oh.
pass of Alvin was not accurate, so Johnny had to struggle. It had to get from behind. So at least again we get 2 points from that play that has always been effective for us.
So pressure in the backcourt by the Philippine team. Para to si Korovnikov. Looking at Maximenko. Offensive foul. Inatrasan si Alvin.
Thank you.
Oo. Medyo nadinig kaya yata ni parang
Foul on number
Mali
15
Jun
of Philippines.
ng
And
China.
substitution.
Hindi na
Mamaya papalitan ko na pangalan niyo eh.
Ito.
Malinang.
Bakit? Mali ng tawag. 54-53, Philippines by 1. At medyo pahirapan po itong ating laban dito sa basketball. Kahit dito sa game for the bronze medal, medyo pinahihirapan tayo ng Kazakhstan. Kenneth Berendres! Uy, lumabas!
Ayun, pero nagwala ang bola, but we're gonna have a holding foul on Alvin. And that's gonna be free throw
Foul on
shots
number
already
4
para
of
sa
Philippines.
Kazakhstan. Very early in the ball game, nasa penalty tayo.
10:32 remaining in the second half. And Alvin Patrimonio picks up his second personal foul, pero nasa penalty na tayo. So 2 shots here for Alexei Yeropkin, as you see Alan Kaidik reporting back for duty. Pinalitan si Johnny Abarrientos.
You know, the injury to Alan has really hurt this team. Alan is our best three-point shooter. Teams that play our zone, including this one, you know, have to be broken down by that long-range shooting. And, you know, in this game, Ed, halos wala pa tayong three-point shot. Wala tayong three-point shot.
Wala tayong 3-point shot dito sa larong ito. Samantala, lumamang na naman ang Kazakhstan na isa, 55-54. George Lastimosa. Netangan ng bola. The bounce pass inside to Dennis Espino.
Wow, great game here by Lastimosa. I mean, the quarterbacking, the leadership being provided by the other co-captain of the team.
Yes. Samantala, si Dennis Espino naman, meron ng 8 points. Parang ito, medyo nahirapan silang tumuhid doon. Wala kasi si Shanikov, yung kanilang number 1 point guard. Ito si Maximenko. You're right there.
Offensive foul. Yes, offensive foul of Maximenko.
Yung illegal screen. Yung malaki, si Maximenko picking up his second personal foul. The Philippines up by 1 point, 56-55. Kapit na naman tayo, Bayang Pilipinas. Medyo nahihirapan tayo rito, pero lumalaban po ang ating kupunan ng Philippine Centennial Team. George Lastimosa tries a 3-point shot. Wala, Dennis Espino. Oh, that's a foul there by Korovnikov.
Pambihira yung pinalo ni Dennis. Kasi tumalun doon, ang tempo ng kanyang timing doon sa palo niya.
Nasa likuran pa siya. At nakakakuha ng foul dito kay Korovnikov. Numero 12. That will be his second personal foul on Korovnikov.
The only play here in the second half.
Yes.
Dennis Espino making the first free throw, and you can see the Filipino fans. Alam mo, maraming kumukontra sa atin dito, yung mga Chinese at saka yung Korean. So, sa Kazakhstan.
Sino mo nagsikiyo sa Kazakhstan? Akala natin kanina, sabi ko maraming mga taga-Kazakhstan, pero nung makita ko, mga Koreano at mga Chino pala, ang sinisitaw. Dennis Espino nagbitos mo sa dahil. Dennis nag-shoot back, pero na-steal ni Korovnikov.
Pambihira yung ang ganda ng pagka-follow up ni Dennis. Dumulas yung bola. No? It would have been a 3-point play for him.
Dalawang puntos po ang abante ng Pilipinas over Kazakhstan. 9 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Yeropkin. Sa penalty na po ang dalawang kupunan. Korovnikov. Mahirap na tira. Nakuha ni Alvin Patrimonio. Power rebound by the captain. Alan Kaidik. Binigay kay Kenneth Berendres. Inside to Dennis Espino. Jones.
No mistake this time for Dennis Espino. And a great assist pass there. Touch passing Jojo, Kenneth, and ending up with Dennis. And look at this shot on your slow-mo on your screens right now.
Samantala, narito ang opensa ngayon ng Kazakhstan.
Ooh, another bad score. Maximenko dapat offensive foul.
Ayun na naman si Maximenko sa ilalim. Ayaw pa rin. Marchenko gets it back. Si Durenko, 3-point shot.
That's a foul by Alan Kaidik. And that's a 3-point attempt. So it's going to be 3 free throws. Si Alan. Pero siya natawagan ng foul. 2-point shot pala yun. So 59-57. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Lamang lang ng dalawa ang Pilipinas dito.
Alvin Patrimonio may tanga ng bola. George Lastimosa. Kenneth Duremdes lumalabas. Duremdes has it against Dedo. 12 seconds on the shot clock.
Madami pang oras yan.
Duremdes, wala. And Ovshanikov has the letter. Biglang buwa ang Kazakhstan. Pero matyaga rin silang gawin yung kanila half-court game. Ovshanikov open. Sumaksak sa loob. Jumper by Ovshanikov. Wala. Alvin Patrimonio. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Ovshanikov and Dennis Espino. Ito na naman si Maximenko. Dalabas ko Ovshanikov. Up to Sidorenko to Dedo. Ovshanikov. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Dedo. Sidorenko. Ovshanikov. 8 seconds left on the shot clock. Ito si Marchenko. Inside to Maximenko. Tsaga-tsaga ang ginawa nito Kazakhstan.
You see, that's what you mean by when you pass the ball a lot, you move a lot, you break down the defense somewhere along the line. You have a 30-second shot clock, remember? And that's plenty of time to do a lot of touch passing and a lot of moving.
Tabla na naman mga kaibigan at 59 off. Lastimosa natapik ni Ovshanikov and they come up with a steal.
And we had a 4-point lead. You know, we lost that, and now they have the opportunity to get on top again.
Dedo. Ovshanikov to Marchenko. Ito na naman yung ginagawa ng Kazakhstan looking for that opening. Dedo decides to go inside.
Papunta mo sa kanan niya, tapos na. And Kenneth has not defended this guy well. He has had a hard time against Dedo tonight. Marami siya masyadong freebies ang binibigay kay Dedo.
Well, Dedo has already scored 13 points against the Philippines, and Kazakhstan is on top by 2, 61-59. Dennis Espino on a spin. Palpal with Maximenko.
We're in trouble here unless we wake up soon, you know. We got to get the right players on the floor.
6.5 minutes remaining in the game. Kazakhstan by 2. Marchenko.
Yes, sir.
That's a 4-point. Is on top by 4 points over the Philippine Centennial squad, 63-59. Pareho po na sa penalty ang dalawang kupunan, Johnny Abarientos. Up to Giorgio Lastimosa. Lastimosa looking around, binigay kay Dennis Espino. Off to Alvin Patrimonio at low post, back to Dennis Espino, out to Giorgio. Lastimosa takes it inside, he goes up.
Sayang yun, pagkakataon ng 3-point play. Narinig na ni Giorgio yung whistle. That's going to be the 4th personal foul of Mikhail Dedov. So mabuti rin para sa atin yan. With still a lot of time left in this ball game. 6:03.
Lamang pa rin ang Kazakhstan ng apat, 63-59. This exclusive Philippine telecast of the 13th Asian Games is made possible by our presenters Jollibee, Samsung, and Caltex. The coverage is also brought to you in part by PLDT, Happy Toothpaste, San Miguel Beer, and Milo.
Giorgio Lastimosa, now's the time to make free throw shots. This is the most minutes he has ever played in any game in his participation with the PBA Centennial team. And Giorgio, it's a coming out for him. You know, he's trying to show that he can play with them.
At alam naman natin na veterano po yan si Giorgio Lastimosa. At kailangan natin dito ang veteran smarts.
We gotta stop the play going to the inside. No? Yung mga yan kay Nikishin at saka kay Maximenko. Kasi yan, bine-breakdown tayo niya. Pumapasa sa labas yan, pero pumapasok sa loob yan.
Ito na naman si Dedo. Trying a 3-point shot. Sidorenko stop. Maximenko natapik ang bola. Uy, may foul.
Kanino ngayon yan? Dahil nasa penalty tayo, kay Andy Siegel ba yan?
Alvin Patrimonio tinawagan.
Alvin.
That will be number 3 on Alvin.
He was very, very close to being Siegel who tapped that ball from behind. Andy was trying to rebound. Pero yung pwesto ng 15. Si Maximenko at saka pwesto ni Nikishin. Yun ang pumapatay sa atin. They're getting a lot of chance of second chance points.
Salamat na lang at nagbutis sa wakas ito si Maximenko. Kanina pa tayo pinapatay nito ng kanyang mga medium range shots at free throws in this game. Pangalawa, nag-adjust na siya. Andy Siegel, kaya pinapoint out ni Andy. Apat na po ang personal foul mo si Andy Siegel.
And he's one guy that has played well for us among the big players.
Including Dennis Espino, of course. Ito ngayon, si Giorgio Lastimosa. Pull-up shot ni Dennis Espino. Tipin. Nakuha na naman ng Dennis Espino against Maximenko. Sa kabila. Ayaw.
That's gonna be a holding foul.
Yes. On Nikishin.
Mabuti na lang, medyo nakip ng cool ni Andy Siegel. Don't react, you know, I mean, ginawagan na ng tama.
Foul on number 5 of Kazakhstan.
Alexander Nikishin with his 4th personal foul. Andy Siegel at the line. Pareho nga po nasa penalty ang dalawang kupunang ito. We still have 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in this ball game. 3 puntos ang kalamangan ng Kazakhstan at 64-61.
Deliberate foul yata yung parang tinawag ko. So it's going to be free throw shots plus possession. We need these free throws, Siegel. Keep it cool, man.
Okay. Thanks, Andy. Siegel, ha?
Anytime.
Saka Andy Howe.
Okay, thank you. Anyway, the lead has been cut down to 2. We have one more free throw and they will throw in from half court. Andy Siegel really very happy with his performance. He's got to keep himself in the ball game.
Andy Siegel with 13 points in this game, 9 of them back in the first half. At lamang ang Kazakhstan ng isa, 64-63. Jojo Lastimosa.
We got to use the clock properly here. Get a good shot on this offensive play. No turnovers ang kailangan natin dito.
Siegel to Abarientos. Johnny takes it inside. Bounce pass to Dennis Espino. And he's legal for the offensive rebound.
That's right. Bring it out. Tama yun. Hindi niya pinersa dahil he has no real look at the basket.
Johnny Abarientos. Nakakihang tayo. Pamasawan tayo rin yun sa likod
Foul
naman.
on number 14 of
Umagat yung
Philippines.
referee.
That's the second personal foul of Johnny.
Offensive foul on Johnny Abarientos. Kazakhstan still by 1 at 64-63. 4 minutes and 47 seconds left.
Been a very long battle for us here.
Sidorenko out of Shanikov. Dedov. Picked up by Siegel. He goes baselines away.
Hindi na maka-challenge si Andy, dahil for personal fouls. He couldn't close it. So it's now a 3-point lead dito para sa Kazakhstan.
Johnny Abarientos out to Jojo Lastimosa. Narito si Siegel.
Got a dribble away from that area. Siyempre. Still a lot of time on the shot clock. 12.
Jojo Lastimosa, head and shoulder take. He pulls up. Yes, Harry!
And now we need some
And that's
defensive
2 points
stops.
for Philippines.
Kailangan
From number 6.
mahigpitan ng depensa rito. Makuha natin ang kalamangan. Lamang ng isa ang Kazakhstan, 66-65. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Dedov. Ovshanikov, back to Dedov. Inside pass.
And we're running.
Johnny Abarientos.
Pero walang fast break ito. Siguradong aantay ni Johnny muna yung mga kasama niya.
Pinabantayan ni Ovshanikov. Dennis Espino.
Gotta get the ball to Lastimosa. Dedov has 4 fouls,
Yes, and he is on Jojo Lastimosa.
Gotta let Jojo work Dedov here.
Inside, Jojo finds Andy Siegel. Nakalaman. Nilabas kay Jolas. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Open shot for Jolas!
Ito yung dati kay Jolas,
Yes.
Na hindi napapagbigyan. And Jojo comes up with some big points to give us a 1-point lead.
Jojo Lastimosa has 13 points, 10 of them here in the second half. Philippines up by 1, 67-66. 2
Nakasaw
minutes.
na tayo, pare.
2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Sidorenko out of Shanikov. Back to Sidorenko. Sidorenko sumaksak sa loob. Wala po yung natira. Give it up. Ito kayo si Jojo Lastimosa. 2 on 3. Jolas inside. Puts it up. And Mikhail Dedov has the rebound para sa Kazakhstan. Still a 1-point lead for the Philippines. 67-66.
You can't blame Jojo, He saw the opportunity, Oh, that's gonna be on Siegel,
Number 5 on Andy Siegel.
Walang kabagay-bagay yung tinawag na
Foul
yun.
on number 5 of Philippines.
And that's gonna be the 5th personal foul of Andy Siegel. Nagkakapostehan, tulak lang yun.
Oo. Medyo jockeying for position there. At si Marlo
And that is
Aquino
his 5th
na
foul.
meron na ring 4 na personal fouls ang pinasok para kay Andy Siegel. Hindi pa nagagamit si Jun Limpot. We don't know why.
I don't think he's gonna be used.
Mukhang hindi nga, oo. Samantala,
This guy is really playing well
Maximuto.
against us. I mean, hindi naglalaro ng ganito.
Oo.
Tapat ng mga jump shot niya, nabuhayan ng kanyang kumpihansa. 2 minutes and 23 left. 2 free throws.
He has scored 16 points so far para sa Kazakhstan. And they're up by 1, 68-67. 2 minutes and 19 to go.
Very important offensive play for us now.
Barrientos off to Dennis Espino.
The good call on the...
Sidorenko.
Nabawian naman ng hapon si Sidorenko doon. At saka free throw shots coming for Jojo.
Second personal foul on Sidorenko. Ito naman si Yerovkin, pinapasok ng Kazakhstan.
Para kanino?
Ayun, si Sidorenko lumabas. 2 minutes and 12 seconds, mga kaibigan, ang nalalagay dito sa labanang ito. Kazakhstan up by 1 at 68-67. Jonas at the line. Pride of Cagayan de Oro City.
Ganito, pride of the Philippines na rin.
Oh. Pero para sa inyong tanan, sabi ni Jojo Lastimosa.
14 ang kanyang ginagawa so far. Yes, sir.
Jonas, 69.
Somebody hasn't picked up number 9. Buti na lang, hindi pinasa.
Ayan. Si Dedov. Naba kay Jojo Lastimosa. Dedov. Ito na naman, sasaksak sa loob. Ovshanikov. To Dedov. Dedov again. Good block by Dennis Espino. At ako na Alvin Patrimonial to Johnny Barrientos. Lamang ng isang Pilipino. 69-68. With that much time remaining in the fight for bronze medal here in the basketball competitions.
Very nice to go through. Johnny threw it away! Oh, what a play by Johnny.
Masyado mataas yung pasa, tumama sa board. Miguel Dedov na naman. He is the guy they're going to. Back to make a bad pass by Sidorenko, by Dedov.
Alam mo, pagod na si Jojo. Gusto niya hawakan ng bola pero hindi na siya makababa eh.
Still a 1-point lead by the Philippines. That much time remaining. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Both teams in the penalty. What a game. Johnny Barrientos.
Gotta go to Lastimosa now. Let them... Hinihingi na kay Marlo. Iwanan mo na ako rito.
Ito na si Lastimosa. From the side. Yeah! They have to go down. Lastimosa, even though he's tied. 17 points for Jojo Lastimosa. It's a 3-point lead by the Philippines. Less than a minute to go. Ovshanikov. To Dedov. Ito si Yerovkin. May tira yan sa labas. Wala! Ay, Lastimosa! Pagod na si Jojo and they gave up that foul pero hindi tinawagan ng referee. 34 seconds to go. 3-point lead by the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the game for the bronze. Pero nakikita natin na kahit anong pagod, mga kaibigan, ang ating mga members ng Philippine Centennial Team is doing this for all of you back home. Jojo Lastimosa. Ngayon lang po nagamit na ganito katagal dito sa Asian Games si Jojo. And he certainly has proven na talagang karapat-dapat naman. He is the hero here.
Yeah, naghihingal na talaga si Jojo. Gusto niya hawakan ng bola. Pero parang mauna na Johnny, susunod. You know, the air also is a little bit tight here.
Yes.
Jojo!
Pressure play. Jojo Lastimosa. 5-point lead by the Philippines with half a minute to go. Ovshanikov. Yerovkin.
Titira na mga 3 points dyan.
That's the negative of Ovshanikov. Here's Sidorenko.
Good defense.
Ayun si Yerovkin. Tumira na 3. Marlo Aquino. Johnny Barrientos. Rebound. That's it. Yes. Johnny Barrientos in the front court. Hindi na kailangan tumira. At ito si Dennis Espino. At tinarong.
Bakit si Jojo nagtunas? Ayun, dito na muna ako. Huwag niyo na ako bigyan ng bola.
Ayun, tumutukod na si Jojo Lastimosa. The Philippines wins the bronze medal in the 13th Asian Games in Bangkok, Thailand. Pero inabot po tayo ng napakaraming dilubyo bago po natin nakuha ang medalyang ito. Medyo pinasok natin ang butas ng karayan dito, Andy.
I think we found the right combination with guys like Dennis Espino, Andy Siegel, Jojo Lastimosa. They really work hard, to get this team back into the game.
After scoring only 3 points in the first half, Lastimosa ends up as the highest pointer for the Philippines with 19 points, but he also showed a lot of leadership. Andy Siegel had 13 points, Espino 11, Meneses and Barrientos was 8 points apiece. Real team effort by the Philippines, the bronze medalists in the basketball competitions of the 13th Asian Games.